Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I hope you're having a super fantastic, wonderful, special day or day of your choice if you don't want any of those things. Today, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. And I'm going to show you how I do my fast face of makeup. Full face of makeup as fast as I can. I don't know if it's 5 minutes or 7 minutes, but I'm going to get started now. And I'm going to use One Size Secure the Blur Primer. But underneath my foundation, I like to use some liquid highlighter. And this is Grande Glow. And it is a light gold highlighter. And I'm going to blend that out just a little bit. I should have my tissue ready, but I'm a little crazy right now. So here we go. Now we're going to do the One Size primer. And you don't need that much of it. I rub it between my fingers and put it everywhere that I need the primer, especially where my pores are big. And the next step is my concealer, which is the Shape Tape Ultra Creamy. And there's Louis. He's trapped in here with me right now. But that's okay, he'll live. And then I just blend it out with my foundation, my concealer brush. Louis, stop it. Louis, stop. Get out of the plant. Louis, stop it. Motherfucker. I'm trying to do my makeup and he's trying to fuck with shit. The most I've cussed in a video in a long time. But I love him, the little bastard. All right, so now we do the foundation. And I use the number 7 Protect and Perfect all in one. And this is Cool Ivory. And I don't use that much of it. I just squirt a blob like that on the back of my hand. Because I'm not fancy. Sometimes I look glamorous, but I am not fancy. Put a little foundation because I'm going to cover her up and blend. Now I'm going to use a foundation brush, and this is an IT foundation brush it's clean, but it's got stuff all over it. It's just a round brush. And this isn't a very heavy foundation, but it's enough to cover my imperfections. It's really close to a BB cream. And after that, I take a little Tatcha translucent powder or a fluffy brush. There's already powder ready, so I just tap it in there. I just powder this area. And now I do my brows. And this is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. And it's like about $7 or $8. And I use a shade, right now I'm using light brunette, but I usually use like warm brunette. But I've been going for like a lighter, brow look lately. because I get a lot of compliments on my brows. And they have been microbladed, but it's been a couple years. So I just fill it in with pencil. And they are definitely cousins, not twins. So there's my brows. Now I'm gonna bronze, and I always use the Cover FX monochromatic bronzer duo in Sun-Kissed Bronze. I go under my chin. Now I do blush. And my favorite blush is Pixie by Petra in Peach Parfait. Oh shit, it's broken. It just fell out all over me. Oh well, I'll use what's available. It was old and now it's hit and pan for sure. It's a nice, soft, pretty color. Wow. Can't believe it just fell out all over me like that. But that's okay. We're just doing this on the fly for fun and just seeing how quick I can do this. Next, I'm going to do some liquid eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using Kitten from Stila. And it is a color glitter. And I get a dip and then I just spread it out, and it's a really pale pink with glitter. And I just paint it everywhere I want it. And then I take my finger and pat it out. And I do the other eye. I always make sure I get my under corners. And that is that. And it is very simple and shimmery. It's a little bit of a look without being too heavy. Next is eyeliner. And I'm using the Lurella Liney shade. I don't know what it's called. You can't read it. It's so tiny. That's what it's called. See that font? It's hard to read, but it's Lurella. It's fantastic. I've been using it for a really long time. It hasn't run out yet. And this is how I do my liner. I just do a thick line. Once again, cousins, not twins. And I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs mascara. And it is this one, which is the Velvet Noir. Velvet Noir. Let's help my mirror. This makes my eyelashes like a mile long. So we've got a little bit of a mistake with the mascara. Doesn't look that bad. Now I'm going to do a lip. I don't know what lip. A beautiful red, which is Red Rum from Jeffree Star. I'll clean it up with a tissue. And there we go. A fast face from beginning to end. I hope you've enjoyed it. Have a great day or day of choice, and I'll see you real soon.